Welcome to Whispering Pines West and East, where we own 41 buildings totaling 265 units, all purchased with seller finance with the help of Angela Wayne, one of my lenders and private money investors. How much money did I put into the deal?
Zero.
Zero. No credit, no cash. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna create a playlist where we're gonna answer probably 15, 20 questions as we walk around this property, give you guys both a tour and answer questions individually. Where do these deals come from? How do you find an Angela Wayne? What Angela wants to do is get involved in your deals, be a partner in those deals, and also she has friends that have money. This is somebody you wanna know. You guys will get the same education she's getting as we walk this beautiful property in Springfield, Illinois. All of that's mine. All of that's mine. And everything that we just walked through is mine too.
You cannot wrap my head around it.
But here's what's crazy. Think about this. You're the one that had the money to make this happen. What did I bring to the table?
Knowledge, experience, reputation, your hard work.
Right. So like you have 80% of the puzzle already. You just need that last 20% of like a little bit more knowledge, a little bit more networking. And then people need to send deals to you and you'll start doing deals like this too. Anyway, guys, in this video, sorry to open it up in such a weird way, but I had to let Angela know. Of course, after she gave me her money, I told her after she gave me the money, hey, Angela, you're more important to this deal than I actually am. And so here we are, we own Whispering Pines East, okay? All of this we own, and all of everything that we just walked through, I own as well. 41 buildings, 265 freaking units. This is absolutely unbelievable. And the missing link was Angela Wayne. So if you guys don't know who Angela Wayne is, she's my guest in this series. She's my private money lender that made this possible. She paid for the closing costs and renovation costs on this particular deal. We absolutely love and adore her, and you guys got to get to know her. Instagram link down below so you guys know. So in this video, I want to answer a question for you guys. Is multifamily a waste of time? And the answer is, for some people, it is. Let's think of a person that multifamily would be a waste for. And why is it a waste? It's because multifamily, as you can tell, we're renovating the property. So there's vacant units, means that the cash flow is lower right now.
Right.
Okay, so let's say that I'm somebody that's living in my parents' basement and I don't have any job. I'm just starting, because that's a lot of people that are starting in real estate and are like, I don't want to go to college. I want to start with real estate. Multifamily doesn't pay the bills today.
Right.
So where multifamily is a waste of your time are the people that need to get paid today. If you need to get paid in the next 30, 60, 90, 120 days, this is not an opportunity you should be focusing your time on unless you do what with it?
You find the right operator, make sure it will be managed properly.
Yeah, but I'm not going to be an owner, and I don't have any money. So what am I bringing to the table?
You bring a network of people.
Oh, this is good. I like this.
Well, I should know. Under the spotlight, go black.
This is how you learn. I'm watching Pace's YouTube video right now, and I'm thinking, man, I don't have the ability to raise capital. I don't know these operators. I don't know how to raise money or network. I don't have any friends yet. I have no money and I have no experience in multifamily. What is a great way for me to make money on something like this? Work for somebody else. Ooh, that's an answer I wasn't looking for, but I freaking like that a lot. You can always go work for somebody like me. Go work for Tim Bratz. Go work for Avina Jetty.
That's right.
Are you looking for somebody to work for?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, that's a good one. Check the box. Check the box. Boom. Eric wins.
Go out and open that, find out who owns it, and call up.
Yes, she got it.
Okay.
Go directly to the seller and tell them that you're looking for opportunities and wholesale a deal like this to somebody like me.
Yes.
So can you make money in multifamily without experience, cash credit, or any of that stuff? The answer is yes, you can.
I should have known that from the very beginning.
Because you have the stress on your brain. You won't forget it. Is that an opportunity that Angela Wayne should be spending her time on?
No, for me, at this stage, no, I won't.
This is great. You guys need to understand this about multifamily and anything in real estate in general. Know thyself. She already has good income. She has a great job. She has a network. She is somebody you send deals to, not somebody who goes out and finds deals, if that makes sense. So you watching this camera, you go, I'm going to go find a deal like this, and I'm going to bring it to an Angela Wayne. I'm going to bring it to a Avina Jetty, a Tim Bratz, a Pace Morby, a Brandon Turner, these kinds of bad and AJ Osborne's of the world, Ryan Pineda's of the world. I'm going to bring them a deal and I'm going to get paid, and I'm going to get not only paid in cash, but I'm going to get paid in experience. For people that are in a world where they need money today, I think multifamily is a waste of their time unless they are doing one of those two things. Good job, Eric. Work for somebody else and
direct to seller.
direct to seller, and what do I do with the contract?
And then to assign to the people who can do the job.
Boom. Assign it to the people who can do the job. So there you go. If you're not going to do one of those two things, you have no experience, you have no access to networking, those types of things, go and do that. So that will tee us up for the next video, which is how do I find properties like this? How did we find this property? And how can I, if I'm a brand new person, how can I find opportunities like this that I could assign to an Angela Wayne or a Pace Morby? We'll see you in that video, guys. Thanks.
Yeah.